Good evening.
Good evening to you.
Do you have a reservation?
Yes, under the name Tom.
Let me check my list.
It is for 2 people.
Ah, yes. Tom at 7.
Is our table ready now?
Yes, right this way.
Can we sit by the window?
I am sorry, those are full.
How about that corner table?
That one is perfect.
Thank you very much.
Here are your menus, sir.
Is there a specials menu?
Yes, it is on the back.
Your waiter will be here soon.
Enjoy your dinner tonight.
Thanks. We will.
Welcome. What can I get you?
Hi, I want a burger.
A beef or chicken burger?
The double beef burger, please.
Do you want fries with that?
Yes, a large order of fries.
Anything to drink today?
Just a large cola, please.
Will that be all?
Actually, add an apple pie.
Is this for here or to go?
I will eat it here.
Your total is $12.
Here is a $20 bill.
Here is your change.
Where do I wait?
Stand right over there.
I will call your number.
Your number is 45.
Great. I will listen for it.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I think I am.
What would you like to start with?
I will have the tomato soup.
Excellent choice. And for the main course?
I want the grilled chicken.
Does that come with rice or potatoes?
It comes with baked potatoes.
Can I get rice instead?
Yes, we can do that for you.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I eat everything.
Would you like some bread?
Yes, please bring some garlic bread.
I will bring your soup right away.
Thank you. I am very hungry.
Here is your soup, sir.
It smells very good.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
How is your steak?
It is very good.
Is it cooked well?
Yes, it is perfect.
My pasta is a bit cold.
You should tell the waiter.
No, it is okay.
The sauce is very tasty.
Have you tried this salad?
Not yet. Is it fresh?
Yes, the tomatoes are very sweet.
Pass the salt, please.
Here you go.
Do you want some of my steak?
Just a small piece, thanks.
It is very tender, right?
Yes, it is amazing.
I am getting very full.
Me too. The portions are big.
We cannot eat dessert today.
Excuse me, waiter.
Yes, sir. Can I help you?
We are ready for the check.
I will bring it right over.
Thank you. The food was great.
I am glad you liked it.
Here is the bill, sir.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we take all major cards.
Can we split the bill?
Yes, I can do 2 cards.
Just charge half to each card.
Not a problem at all.
Do we pay at the table?
Yes, I will bring the machine.
Here is my card.
Please enter your PIN number.
Okay, it is done.
Thank you. Have a good night.
You too, goodbye.